Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy stocks on Wealthsimple. First, open your Wealthsimple account and search for the stock you want to buy. For example, Tesla. Tap Buy, then choose your order type at the top. You can pick market buy to purchase at the current price or limit buy to set your own price, which most investors prefer. Enter the price you want to buy at, then type how many shares you want. Next, review your order. You'll see the share price, quantity, and total cost. If you want, you can turn on good until canceled to keep your order active for up to 90 days. Finally, tap place order and that's it. You've successfully bought stocks on Wealthsimple in just a few steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.